So I think there definitely is a strategic advantage to having built a firm-wide or a statewide rather practice, and having a very diverse team. Even it's not just the attorney that you're working with. We have a whole team of people with a whole bunch of experience, individually and certainly collectively. And really, what that comes down to is relationships. We've built really strong relationships throughout the state. Both with other attorneys that practice family law, and we have we have excellent reputations statewide. No matter what court you're in, more than likely, at least one of our attorneys has appeared before the judge that happens to hear your matter. So even if your attorney may not have, somebody on our team will have, and will have some useful insights into how that particular judge may view things like alimony and property division, things that aren't necessarily very specifically governed by guidelines such as child support. And judges do have a fair amount of discretion in family law matters, so that can be informative, both in terms of when you're thinking about reaching agreements in your matter and sort of what might be worth giving in on and what might not be. And I think it's a really powerful driver of settlements when we are able to talk about, here's how this judge typically views this. And so if we're going to dig in on it, it's probably not going to get us towards your goal of settling, things like that. But it's really about, at the end of the day, it's about relationships. It's about relationships and reputation, and our entire team being committed to one thing and one thing only, and that's family law. So we are very good at it, and we are known for being very good at it. We are known for keeping up with changes in the laws, and really not just being zealous advocates for our clients, but also being courteous members of the bar and courteous colleagues to opposing counsel, which I think is just all of that is a tremendous benefit for clients, because at the end of the day, the vast majority of the matters that we work on and the people that we work with, the vast majority of those matters should settle before a trial. And so much of whether that is a successful endeavor or not is about people being able to communicate effectively. And again, that's just back to relationships. So I do definitely think it's a strategic advantage to have as vast of a practice we do statewide, and also to have the diversity in our team in terms of where they've practiced more and their level of experience in our practice area. So depending on your matter type, if you have a family law issue and you're going to be in a family court in Connecticut, what I can tell you is we've done it, and we've probably done it in front of that judge in that court. So you need to call Freed Marcroft.